No backyard? No problem. You don't need acres of land to grow fresh vegetables, herbs, or flowers. Even a small apartment balcony can become a thriving garden with the right setup. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start an apartment balcony garden, from choosing the best containers to picking the easiest plants for beginners. Let's get growing! Step 1. Check your sunlight. Before buying a single plant, spend one day observing your balcony. Ask yourself, does it get morning sun, afternoon sun, full sun all day, mostly shade? Here's a simple guide. 6-8 hours of sun, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers. Beans, 4-6 hours, lettuce, spinach. Kale, Swiss chard, less than 4 hours. Mint, parsley, cilantro, some leafy greens. Matching your plants to your sunlight is one of the easiest ways to avoid disappointment. Step 2. Pick the right containers. Expensive planters aren't necessary. Great beginner options include 5-gallon buckets, fabric grow bags, plastic nursery pots, window boxes, food-safe storage tubs, self-watering containers. Whatever you choose, make sure it has drainage holes. Standing water causes root rot faster than almost anything else. Step 3. Buy good soil. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is filling containers with dirt from the yard. Instead, use quality potting mix. Good potting mix is lightweight, well-draining, holds moisture, full of organic matter. Healthy roots equal healthy plants. Think of your potting mix as the foundation of your garden. Step 4. Start with easy plants. Don't try growing 20 different vegetables your first year. Choose just 4 or 5. Some beginner favorites include basil lettuce, spinach, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, green onions, strawberries. These are forgiving, productive, and perfect for container gardens. Step 5. Water. Smarter, not more. Container gardens dry out faster than traditional gardens. Instead of watering on a schedule, check the soil. Stick your finger about 1 inch into the pot. If it feels dry, water thoroughly until water drains out the bottom. Morning watering is usually the best time. Step 6. Feed your plants. Plants growing in containers use nutrients quickly. Feed them with a balanced fertilizer according to the product label every few weeks during the growing season. Healthy plants produce more vegetables, more flowers, better harvests. Step 7. Grow up, not out. Small balcony, go vertical. Use tomato cages, small trellises, hanging baskets, plant shelves, tiered plant stands. Growing upwards saves space and makes your balcony look beautiful. Vertical gardening can double or even triple the number of plants you grow. Bonus tips. Here are a few extra tips to help your balcony garden thrive. Rotate containers every week so plants grow evenly. Harvest herbs often. They'll grow back fuller. Remove dead leaves to keep plants healthy. Group plants with similar watering needs together. Start small and expand as your confidence grows. What you can harvest. Even a tiny balcony can provide fresh salads, herbs for cooking, cherry tomatoes, peppers, strawberries. Starting an apartment balcony garden is easier than most people think. You don't need a backyard. You don't need expensive equipment. Just a little sunlight, a few containers, quality potting mix, and the willingness to start. Before you know it, you'll be harvesting fresh food right outside your apartment door. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soil to Harvest for more beginner gardening tips, DIY garden projects, and small space growing ideas. And let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you're going to grow on your apartment balcony? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.